Hello everyone, I am Ravikant Sharma, Faculty of Civil Engineering. Today we will discuss about the part of suspension. This frame is suspension bridge frame. So if I am talking about its part, so this ground is mainly a foundation for a tower. This is end tower, tower 1 tower. And this is a supported cable, and this supported cable fixed above the foundation on the tower with the help of anchor. So anchor is used for to fix this wire, that is cable wire, and this is our suspension joints. And after that, this is our back slab, or you can say that pathway. So overall, our parts is first one is foundation, that is tower foundation. This one is tower, and this is a cable, and this is anchor that support this cable, and this is suspension to join the deck to the cable. So this is all about the parts of suspension bridge. So for today, thank you very much.